Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Without my time, let's get started. Go to File and click on New and set your paper size. So I'll go for 20 inches by 20 inches. The resolution, I'll make it 300. Okay. The next thing we are going to do is fill it with a color. So I'll use this color 580,000. So you will press Alt plus backspace to fill the color. The next thing we are going to do is import our picture. So we'll go to File, we click on Open. Let's select our picture. Okay, so I'll drag it. Press Ctrl plus T and press or hold or Shift to reduce or increase the size. Go to this. Let's bring this downwards. Okay. Okay. Let's import our pictures. Okay. Okay. Control plus T to transform and we reduce the size. Let's move this upwards, move this sideways by pressing the arrow key, the left arrow key. Move this a little bit upwards. Okay. Go to File, Open, and okay. The next thing we are going to do is you will press T from your keyboard or select the horizontal type 2 from your toolbar. Let's press there. Let's change the color to white. Let's choose the font. I'll select Arial. Go for 36. So you click this and the background layer. You press you select the move tool or press V from your keyboard and align horizontal center. Okay, so let's move this a little bit outwards. Okay. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is you will select T from your keyboard or press T from your keyboard. Let's click here. That's right. The title of the song. Click here and select. You change the font to okay. Let's align center by pressing this. Okay. Next thing is you will bring the name of the artist. You change the font size, the font. Let's change the color to yellow. Let's review the size. Thanks once again. See you in my next tutorial. Thank you.